That was perfect.
Let's go! I like the flashing on either side.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do them at the same time though. Look, that one bottom. Yeah, that it's supposed to have them on bottom and top, but I did bottom.
You coming?
Coming. Alright, so F-22 90mm custom power setup. I put some lights on it. Let's go fly.
So I'm gonna try to stay close to you. I can't. Maybe I can make this one whip like yours does. I don't know. I know the F-16 can't do it.
Oh,
It
you
tried.
it and you're just
My free wing probably can,
probably can.
because I've got the CG further back.
Alright,
Go ahead.
taking off.
Gear up, flaps up.
High performance takeoff. Ooh, the burners. Oh my God, your burners. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Those lights look good. Those lights look good.
On yours it does, yeah. Especially the flashing ones, because those catch your attention. Okay.
Oh, that's not what I
Well, we got to do that signature slow pass down the center line, and I whip past you on the closest to us. Not yet, though. You got to get set up for it. Set up better.
I'm gonna wait for you right here.
Okay. All right, I'm with you right now. So I'll swing out a little further.
Okay, where do you want the center line?
You go a little closer to the other side. So further to the other side of the runway. And then I'll be close to us. Stay slow.
What?
Turn in front of you and then you come behind me. There you go. I'm going to pull up right here. You can come up behind me.
Oh, you want me to follow you?
I thought you were supposed to. What the hell?
Ah, man, let's do that again. Alright. I'm setting up for that pass again.
Okay. So I'll cut in front of you and then you come back behind me.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So I'm turning in front of you.
Nice.
And you come behind me. I'm gonna pull up here right in front. You're gonna be ahead of me. No, you're too close. There we go. Didn't want to hit you. Mig's got some performance.
30 seconds.
That elevator whip.
Yours.
Frank's conservative power.
Whoa, damn. See, mine does that too, though. I can do it with this one. I can do it with this one, baby.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, it's on now.
Slow turns.
Go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
See, right there with you. Woohoo!
Yeah, baby, you're right.
This thing whips. Oh, I like that.
Alright, I'm gonna come low and then pull up.
Let me give you some room. Then I can see what you're doing. You do the same.
That's
Woo-hoo-hoo.
maneuverable.
The MiG, I never knew the MiG could do all this.
Now you do.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna come in because I don't know what my pack's at.
Gear down. 1 minute over.
Yep, I'm over. I'm coming in right now.
Landing flaps.
Steep approach. Oh man, look at the sunset now.
Coming in.
Holy crap. Yeah, buddy, that's how you do it.
Flaps up.
Nice, I'm right there. I gotta... Whoa! That damn joint.
No, I cut it too short. I could have made it real nice landing, but I'll take that one.
Woo! See ya.
Later, Kurt!
Oh my god. That's the plane to fly with this thing.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Didn't matter what you did. I'm like,
Let's go, baby! We're going!
sweet. Alright. And we can fly them close in. Let me get that as my closing. There we go.